Janie, the mindfulness coach here, and doing some grounding and stuff. And one of the things that I love to do that really helps bring me into the now moment is to be aware of like all these little tiny weeny things that are around me that are alive. And this is one of them. And when you zoom in like that, it looks like a tick, but it's not a tick. It's this like super tiny, itty bitty, itsy bitsy little thing that God created that's alive and has a purpose. Even though he's really super tiny, there's some reason that this is here in the world. These little guys, I wish I knew what it was. I don't know what it is exactly. And it's super bright red. And let me see if I can. Try to get it on my finger so you could just see how super tiny it is. Anyway, this is just one of those self-care practices that's good for us because we're always multitasking and splitting our attention, and that's really what's making us sick, is that we split our attention all the time and have a very hard time focusing for long periods of time because of the way the world is and all the technology that we use. So this really helps bring you into your senses, into the world of wonder and awe, you know, when you have the right mindset and intention for doing this type of stuff, you know. You can take it up a notch in terms of the efficacy of your grounding ritual. All right, guys, have an awesome day. And remember, peace does lie within you. I call it Paz Mesa. So tap into your Paz Mesa. Tap in.